When you're running a dental sleep medicine marketing campaign, it's very, very important that you track your metrics so that you can understand what changes need to be made in order to make that campaign more and more successful as time goes on. Some of the things that you're going to want to track, I want to touch on. First off being how many leads you're generating. That's obvious on a monthly basis. Second is what percentage of those leads are you able to contact? What percentage of those leads that you make contact with are scheduling a consultation? What percentage of those leads that are scheduling a consultation are showing for a consultation versus no showing? And for the ones that show up for their consultation, how many are converting into treatment? With those key performance indicators in mind, you can know what areas of your practice, not only in your follow-up process, but in your treatment presentation, case acceptance process, you can see what changes might need to be made when you look at those percentages, when you compare those to what you perceive would be a successful campaign. Try doing that over the next week or so. Track every single metric. How many leads generated, how many contacts made, how many consultations scheduled, how many people are moving forward with treatment. And then if you want, you can get even more into the weeds and start tracking why people did not move forward. There's endless things that you can track. But the more information you have, the more educated business decisions you're going to be able to make based on that data.